Your mattress is soaking up about 26 gallons of sweat a year. That's like it's just ran a marathon, and with that, it's hoarding roughly 100 grams of urea, which is what this brown staining all over the mattress actually is. You see, urea in sweat or urine breaks down into ammonia through bacterial action. This ammonia then chemically burns and leaves yellowish stains and sometimes a strong odour, particularly if not cleaned regularly. Sweat also contains salt and other minerals. When sweat evaporates, these salts and minerals can leave behind white or yellowish residues that stain the fabric and the material of the mattress. Urea and its breakdown products can interact with other organic compounds in sweat, urine or skin oils, creating complex stains that are more difficult to remove. The moisture from the sweat or urine can penetrate deep into the mattress layers, creating an environment conducive to bacterial and mould growth. This can exacerbate staining and cause discoloration over time. The salts basically act as a desiccant, drawing moisture from the air, creating a live, wet, alkaline, high pH environment, chemically burning, releasing odour and creating stains. It's pretty gross, to be honest. Mattress protectors can obviously help, but they're not going to fully stop evaporated moisture from coating your mattress, so it's best to have it cleaned at least once a year. Cleaning something like a mattress properly is a lot more complex than it would first appear. For example, I can visibly see that this material has alkaline burns from the high pH environment created by the ammonia crystals. So if I use a high pH pre-spray, I'm going to cause further damage. And it is really important to note that this is in fact damage. Yes, there is some soil to be extracted out, as you can see here, but it is actually damage in the mattress. It just so happens that the cleaning agent that I'm using is helping to reverse, minimise and negate as much of that damage as possible. That's not always the case though, and not every mattress is going to clean like this. Some will have permanent staining, and we just can't do anything about it. So what have I actually done here? Well, the first step to removing these stains, if they're going to remove, is to use an enzyme-based cleaner. Enzyme cleaners contain proteases and urases that break down urea and other organic compounds into simpler, non-staining substances, which can be then rinsed out. After applying my enzyme cleaner, I gently agitated the area with a cleaning mitt. This helps the enzymes penetrate deeper into the mattress fibre, ensuring a thorough breakdown of the urea and associated compounds. Next, using a mattress cleaning machine, it's actually a carpet cleaning machine with a hand tool on it, I rinse extracted the area with acidified water. This enhances the stain removal and balances the pH of the mattress fabric when I'm cleaning it. At this stage, if this chemistry isn't working for me, I do have other options, but they're far more complicated than a 3-minute mattress cleaning video will allow. You're going to have to do one of my online cleaning courses if you want to know what they are. Thankfully, whether the stains remove or not, the mattress is fully cleaned, deodorized, free of bacteria and ready for a good night's sleep. I've mentioned pH and its importance a few times during this video. Understanding pH is the reason this mattress cleaned up so well. I'm giving everyone who watches this video access to the pH module from my online cleaning courses. If you watch it, it will change the way you think about cleaning.